Hey dear friends, let's manipulate this robotic eye. Hope you are doing good. The link of the photos is in the description. Do download to follow. Here is our main image. First, we will choose the laser tool to make a selection of the area which we want to remove. We can also add or remove some parts of our selection. Then we will add it as a layer mask. Here I press Ctrl I to invert the mask. We can add or remove by the white and black colors respectively with the help of brush tool while selecting our mask. Here I am erasing some of the parts that I can add later. Here I add an layer to paint over it so that I can give it a realistic effect of the cut off skin. Now choose any color to paint over it. The better is the skin color, and don't worry about the highlights and the dark portions. We will add it later by an clipping mask. I will add another layer as an clipping mask by pressing the Alt and click in between the two layers. What it does, if I paint, it will only paint to the layer that I painted earlier. Now add the dark to it to give it a realistic view. Add also the light areas. Here I am taking sample from the skin and making it more darker. Keep zooming in and out so that you can see how it looks like. Now it seems more realistic. Now we will work on this Rabert so that it can be look like as an internal part of the head. I am adjusting it as it seems suitable to me. And here I go. Now I will create another layer over it so that I can paint the dark. Now it's same as an internal part of the head as an robotic head. And now is the time for the eye. I choose a lens as an eye. Now I need the reflections, so I will erase this portion so that to see the real eye, and then move this lens. Here it is. And I'm doing it with the brush tool while clicking on the layer mask. This is our lens, and now it seems, if you toggle the color, it seems the reflection of the real eye. I do not need it all, so I am cropping it out. Now I add another layer to make some dark portion over this lens as well. Here I simply paint in the new layer to make it realistic. And now I add some wires so that it can look the lens is connected with some wires. Always keep zooming in and zoom out so that you can see it how it looks like. And I'm going to crop it out also with the help of lasso tool. I create in selection and mask it out. And then here I'm also adding some dark portion with it so that it can seem realistic. And I always use a new layer for the dark portions so that our main image will not be affected. Now I want to add some more darkness to the whole so that it can look like more realistic. And this is our final image, and thanks for watching our full video. Please tell us in the comments how it looks like, and don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you can get our latest updates.